This is Sergio, customer of Rock and Roll Amps. He had me put a post-phase inverter master volume in his Marshall Plexi 50 watt, made in England, 1987X. And right now he's using a Les Paul through a Boss SD1. Channels are jumped. It's outputting into a Marshall 412. Only two of the 12s are on, they're G12-65s, and we're recording with the Sennheiser E609. Take it away.